Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a telephonic conversation with US President Donald Trump yesterday evening, where they reviewed the process in the US-India Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership and underscored the importance of sustaining momentum to enhance bilateral trade. This conversation took place more than a week after Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to New Delhi. Both leaders also exchanged views on expanding cooperation in critical technologies, energy, defense and security. So, Akansha, back to you. This comes right after Putin's visit to New Delhi, just 1 week after the visit. Do you think Putin's recent visit to Delhi shaped the tone or content of Modi's conversation with President Trump?
It could be a possibility because there's a lot of chatter about how the security apparatus for the Indo-Pacific has gone for a toss. Remember, there is been no such forward movement as far as the Quad meeting was concerned, which India was supposed to be hosting this year, and we are now being told that it could perhaps happen next year. As we all are very much aware, it was the US tariffs worth 50%, which have, stalled any kind of progress as far as the other fronts of defense and even to an extent trade is concerned. But Prime Minister Modi and the US President's conversation has now indeed arrived as an icebreaker, and the statement that has come in not just from the US and India, but also now from Sergio Gore, who is the ambassador to the US ambassador to India, has gone on to talk about how this was a great call between two friends, referring to Prime Minister Modi and President Trump. Sergio Gore has also spoken about how Prime Minister Modi has reiterated his support for President Donald Trump's efforts to bring peace to Ukraine. And that indeed is also being viewed as a very heartwarming message coming in from the US side. And we'll have to see how far this goes, given that the trade talks are very much on. They were completed yesterday, and the statement coming in from the US side also talks about how the India-US partnership was reviewed during this phone conversation between Prime Minister Modi and President Trump, where they discussed expanding cooperation. That also included critical technologies, energy, defense and security. So it was an overall conversation about the special strategic partnership that both the countries share, Sukanya. And Prime Minister Modi also posted about this phone call, terming it as a warm and engaging conversation. But he, of course, has not mentioned trade, and the timing is what stands out, because you are very much aware that US and India have seen a slide since that additional 25% penalty was slapped on New Delhi for its purchase of Russian oil. There was also an addition to that 25% tariff because of India's trade practices, which US believes is extremely protectionist. India has repeatedly termed the tariffs as unfair. We are still in the middle of that negotiation, where we are hoping to finalize the first tranche of the bilateral trade agreement by the end of this year. But it seems it could very much take time up until the first trimester of 2026.
Right, Akansha. You rightly mentioned timing is what stands out. Thank you so much for sharing that very crucial input with us and for putting things into perspective.